Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, I'm one of the volunteers here, and I'd like to talk to you about slow cooking. It has many advantages, including being more economical, better nutrition and better time efficiency. Stay tuned and I'll go for a recipe with you. Today's recipes come from Rachael Johnson and her daughter Amelia. Thank you very much. Today we will be cooking cowboy stew, sometimes known as campfire stew. A lot of people following the Weight Watchers and Slimming World diets use this one, and it's one of our family favourites. The ingredients are 1 unsmoked gammon joint, 3 peppers, 2 onions, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 tin of baked beans, 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, 2 carrots, 6 to 8 mushrooms, chilli powder to taste and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We start by chopping the veg. That's the peppers, carrots, slice the mushrooms, crush the garlic, then make a mix with the cumin, coriander, chilli and paprika. I put mine in a little pot. The night before making this recipe, soak the gammon in plenty of water. This takes the salt out, otherwise it would be far too salty. Once we've prepared the veg, we add it to the slow cooker. So that's the carrots, mushrooms, peppers. Then add the garlic, the mixture of herbs, tin of beans, tin of chopped tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, and if you like you could add some tomato puree, celery or any other beans you like. Give it a good stir, add the gammon, make sure the ingredients comes around the gammon joint. Turn the slow cooker on to high and cook for 6 to 8 hours. If you like crispier peppers, add half of them half an hour before serving. After leaving the slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours, check on the meat, give the pot a stir. If the meat is shredded, that's fine. If it needs a little bit of help, just use 2 forks to separate it. This is fantastic served with wedges or a jacket potato.